Do you even know that I wanna go and talk about me? So when the people's over here, you know that I'm talking about me. I'm doing everything every day when it's all about me. But still I wanna say that I wish you was happy. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I said that we're not working out, I'm working out like every day. Some people looking at me saying, do you know you crazy? Said I'm crazy for my fitness, so I'm gonna get my workout on. So I'm over here saying name when I'm in my zone. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. So what it gonna be when I talk about me? Said I seen people coming in just showing me love. So now I'd like to go and say your name on up. So when I talk about me, but still I wanna talk about you. Wanna say thank you to everybody that came through. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I stand the Cabernet Garden is it talking about me. Got destiny forever walk a PhD with me. Got Killer Wilkerson in the house hanging out with me. Got Stony Homestead, oh yes, you see what it be. Talk about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. Said C.L. Brown in the house just hanging with me. Got Leo Prime hanging out just doing with me. Got Miss Aisha just doing number with me. Got life with the Sherry, oh yes, I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. Do you know about me? I said, do you know that I also been to the war? Said I've been to Germany, but still I'm talking about you. Said I seen so many things, so I'm talking about me. I even won a championship in boxing when I'm talking about me. 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 Stand blue, blue, do you even know you talking about me? Stand queen after me, I see that you talking about me. Stand sure Tigger Woods, you know I'm talking about me. Yeah, I don't talk good in the house, just talking to me. Talking to me. talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I said that I wanna see everybody really happy. Even though I still gotta do that's good for me. Sometimes I put your name over on a song. But still, I'm still over talking about me on a song. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. Says Shatika Wood, do you know I talk about me? Yeah, Autumn Tucker, do you know I'm talking about me? Sam Brownlee showing love, why you talking about me? Yeah, Shatika Woods over there just talking about me. Serena Black, I know you talking about me. I'm showing love over here when I'm talking about me. Do you know I have some friends from the Army? So yes, we are a veteran, we talk about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. You know about me when I talk about me. I said I lead the thejjordan and talk about me. Yeah, Daddy Maharani, I know you talk about me. Yeah, Missy with the T, the just talking about me. Yeah, Queen Sun Kiss the Boo, oh yes about me. We talk about me. We talking about me. We talking about me. We talking about me. Say thank you everybody here that's talking about me. The good and the bad, but still you talking about me. But still I'm showing love when I'm talking about me. So everybody know that I'm talking about me. One more time, I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. When you talking about me, I'm talking about me. You talking about me. We talking about me.